You don't have to worry about nothing. We got the fire, and we burning one hell of a something. Baby, they're gonna see us from outer space, light up like we're the stars of the human race. Human race. When the lights turn down in love.
Quantitative understanding. Quantitative research method is one type of research whose specifications are systematic, plain, and clearly structured from the beginning to the design of the research. Another definition states that quantitative research is research that requires many use of numbers, starting from data collection, interpretation of the data, and appearance of the result. Likewise, at the conclusion stage, the research will be better is accompanied by picture, table, graph, or other views. According to Sugiyama, quantitative research methods can be interpreted as research methods that are based on the philosophy of positivism, used to examine certain population or sample. The sampling technique is generally done randomly. Data collection uses research instrument. Data analysis is quantitative or statistical in order to test the hypotheses that have been determined. Sugiyama 2012-7. Quantitative methods are often also called traditional method, scientific and discovery method. Quantitative methods are called traditional method because this method has been used for a long time, so that it has been inherited as a method for research. This method is called positivistic method because it's based on philosophy of positivism. This method is referred to as the scientific method because this method has scientific principle, namely concrete, empirical, objective, measurable, rational, and systematic. This method is also called the discovery method because this method can be found and developed by various new science technology. This method is called quantitative method because research data in the form of number and analysis using statistics. Qualitative understanding. Qualitative research is a new method because of its popularity not long ago. This method is also called post-positivistic because it is based on post-positivity philosophy, as well as an artistic method because the research process is more artistic or less patterned, and is called the interpretive method because the research data is more concrete with interpretation of the data found in the field. Quantitative research method can be interpreted as research method used to examine certain population or samples. Data collection use research instrument, quantitative or statistical data analysis, with the aim of testing hypotheses that have been determined. Qualitative research methods are often called naturalistic research method because their research is done on natural setting. It's also an ethnographic method because at first this method was used more for research in cultural anthropology. Some methodologies such as Kirk and Miller 1989 define qualitative method as certain traditional in social science that are fundamentally depend on observing humans in their own field and dealing with these people in their language and in terms of their occurrence. Whereas according to Bogdan and Tyler, 1975, in Milan Books, 2004-3, purpose qualitative method as research produce descriptive data in the form overt or verbal from people and observable behavior. Mills and Haberman, 1994, Instituted, 2002. Qualitative method try to uncover the various unequities found in individual, group, communities, or organization in daily life as a whole, detailed, deep, and scientifically accountable.
Babe, they're gonna see us from outer